I have a Duramax generator. It's the XP9000, and I have it connected to this propane tank here. So the peak surge power is 8,500, I believe. So what I'm trying to do is start my AC, my home AC, and it's not starting because I guess the surge is too high. So I bought this Micro Air Easy Start. It's a soft start to suppress the surge that the AC compressor initializes when it's trying to start. And I'm going to install it and see if it works. This AC compressor is a 4-ton unit, so I'm not sure if it's still going to be too big of a unit to use this Easy Start, but I'm going to find out. I have access to the capacitor now. Before you actually get started, you want to remove the power to the compressor, which is through this little box here. So you pull out the connector there. Run the wire through this port right here. That's for additional cabling, which is going to come up and reach the capacitor section right here. You're going to need the following connectors since they didn't come with the Micro Air device. So, and here's the wiring diagram. And the order of, there's 4 wires and there's the order of how to attach it. That's what I'm going to do next. So I connected the 4 wires, the orange wire to the HERM terminal there, and disconnected the run wire from the contactor, connected it, spliced it with the brown wire, and then connected the white wire in its place on the contactor, and then added the black wire to the next spot to the left of the run connector. So I got the soft start installed. Now I'm going to test it. Okay, give it a little bit of time. Houston, we have liftoff. Compressor is running and the inside is cooling. So yes, it was a success. So just a few minutes that it's been on, it is starting to cool. You can see the outside temperature is 92 degrees, inside's 83, and I have it set to 74. So awesome. This unit, the Micro Air Soft Start, the AC company wanted to charge $800 to get it installed, and that is just insane. I paid $325 for the soft start, and to pay another $850 to get installed was just ridiculous. So I did it myself for free. So now I can go buy myself a Big Mac meal, and I'm gonna splurge. I'm gonna make a large fry, a large drink, and hey, why not? You only live once, so enjoy.